What's up, YouTube? This is the moment we've all been waiting for. As I know you have been waiting, geez, maybe as long as I've been waiting, if not longer, but the Ranger is back and better than ever before. First, we're going to do a little walkthrough and do a little review of what we did before and all the work it took to get to this day. And I'm excited, so thanks for watching Overland Garage, and you're not going to want to miss this. Ford Ranger, overlanding, I know, crazy. My personal overland vehicle. This is a 1983 Ford Ranger. It's not exactly what we would call stock. This is proof that you can do a lot with a little. We're going to talk about some of the projects I have, because I have a lot and we need to talk about them. Hey guys, so you're tuning in, you're probably seeing what I'm seeing, and it's not good, but the Ranger's down for the count. And I got right to cylinder number 2 here. I pulled the plug off while it was running and nothing changed. Whatever's going on in this area right here. So it looks like I'm not gonna have to pull the motor out, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at. And I don't know about your diagnosing skills, but mine tell me that this looks like a head gasket because, you know, brown sludge, I mean, that's a head gasket. Well, there's no motor in the truck, but I'm going to strip this apart just for kicks and giggles and see what it looks like, but alright guys, so today we're going to be cleaning up some heads. You can see what I'm looking at. These look like they're in really good shape. I think these heads have honestly been redone before, so I'm just going to clean this whole surface up, clean the whole head up, put the valves back in, put the springs back in, and yeah, so it's going to be good. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek here, but these are all done, and just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to throw the valve cover on just so you can see what it looks like. It's going to be pretty. Yeah, that's what it's going to be looking like. A shiny blue paint. So I'm going to do the other head, and I think I'm going to call it a night on this project, but and then I can slam the oil pan up and put the rotating assembly back on. Let's carefully drop the distributor in. So these are right on the internet. You can get these. This is torque specs and the process to do it. So this has a 3-stage process. It's 35 foot-pounds, 55 foot-pounds, and then turn all the bolts 85 to 95 degrees in this sequence. So I'm going to get that done, and then these heads will be on the truck permanently. And get one of these torque wrenches if you can. And the old Ranger's in the garage right now. I'm still waiting on the old parts ferries to deliver the parts so I can put this back together, and she's pretty sad right now, but I am getting excited to get this back. hope you enjoyed that little recap and little drive. Very happy with the way that the truck came out. It's running great. So get out there and explore, and this is proof that you can build and explore. And I have a little trip coming up for you guys, but don't be afraid to, in the meantime, continue to watch this content and hit that little button down there, like and subscribe, and I'll keep putting content out for you. So thanks for watching Overland Garage, and this is a win. So all that stuff you were waiting for is here. So thank you for watching Overland Garage, and we're going to continue to build and explore.